All the movements in an organism, let it be voluntary or involuntary, are possible because of the presence of a command center which is known as central nervous system. Now, central nervous system performs the task of controlling these muscles and tissues with the help of peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system in turn comprises of nerve tissues or nerve cells. Now, coming into a nerve cell, if you observe a nerve cell, it consists of nothing but an elaborate body which is known as cell body, which branches out to form dendrites and also an elongated tube which carries the impulse. Now, this tube is known as axon, which ends into nerve endings or axonites. The axon is protected with an myelin sheath which helps in transmitting the signal throughout the axon and protects it from external damage. Now, nerve tissue comprises of nothing but all these cells which are arranged in a continuous array wherein they make connections with each other with the help of the nerve endings and the dendrites. That is, form a nerve cell connects with the second nerve cell with the help of nerve ending which connects with the dendrites of the second nerve cell. Adjacent nerve cells which are connected together with the help of nerve endings and dendrites, there is a gap which is present in between them. Now, this gap is known as presynaptic cleft. The nerve tissues terminate into muscular tissues, and at this junction where they terminate, again the nerve ending and the muscular tissue consist of a gap which is known as presynaptic cleft. Any environmental stimulus which has to be transmitted to the nervous system occurs with the help of receptors which are present in the ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now, these receptors are connected to the nervous tissue or the nerve cells. When a dendritic tip picks up a signal through these receptors, it sets off a chemical reaction which converts this impulse into electric signal. This electric signal is transmitted from the dendrite of one cell through the axonite and the nerve ending and passes on to the next nerve cell. And hence this signal is transmitted throughout the nervous tissue from one cell to another in the form of electric signals. When this electric signal finally reaches the muscular tissue, this electric signal is converted into chemical signal which is then transmitted to the muscular tissues and the muscular tissue responds to the stimulus.